Analyzing and optimizing technical and business processes. And this is very important because once you said, right, you want to take uh, the application architecture as is into Google Cloud Platform. And earlier we had like, you know, there is a game backend, and game backend is pushing some files to uh, the MySQL. So we changed that. What we changed? We assume that, once we are in Google Cloud Platform, we can take direct stream data from your mobile devices into Cloud PubSub, and then that can be used to analyze the data and then sell some blast ups, or you can take the data into BigQuery, or you can take the data into Bigtable and have real-time processing of that particular data so that you can sell the blast ups. So there are multiple ways which you can enhance the process, and that way you are optimizing your business or technical process, current processes. So it is not as is taking your infrastructure into Google Cloud Platform, but looking at what Google Cloud Platform provided to you for your application. You are changing or optimizing the business processes so that you are really taking advantage of the Google Cloud Platform and its ready-made integrations. So going back to the actual requirements of analyzing and defining technical processes like SDLC, how it is impacting your SDLC, how whether you are doing continuous integration and continuous deployment, troubleshooting and post-mortem analysis, or testing and validation, or service catalog and provisioning, business continuity and disaster recovery, how you are going to take care all of that in your architecture here. That is what you need to make sure. Second one is business processes. Stakeholder management, I'm not saying that right now because we already covered this: change management, team assessment and skills readiness, decision making process, customer success management, cost optimization and resource optimization, capex and opex here. Developing procedures ensure resiliencies of the solution in production, and this is very engineering, and this is very specific to how you are making sure that your application is running. And this is one of the concern that they have it. The game did not scale well. The last popular game did not scale well. You need to make sure that all the procedures are in place, and if you look at the scalability for this compute engine is in place when you are configuring the auto scaling parameter in the instance group and instance template. That's it, guys, as a high level how you need to optimize and manage your existing processes. In nutshell, they are saying is, whenever you are getting, so you are getting good advantage of using the ready-made integrations or ready-made platform services like the PubSub and all that, right? You you should take go ahead and modify your application to take advantage of those services and make it really work with your business, right, working for you. So you need to make those decisions and optimize any business or technical processes that will work in Google Cloud Platform.